Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Silvia Priyanti. My study number is 019. Here I will present about exploring culture, theory global, leadership, and organizational behaviors effectiveness in cross-cultural communication in ASEAN business negotiation. Globe theoretical models. Globe theoretical models aims to describe, understand, and predict the influence of specific cultural variables on leadership and organizational process and effectiveness of the process. And therefore, dimensions of culture is considered as the depending factor on the independent self-control and interaction goals emphasized by the measure of the values and practice skills interact. The dimensions can be employed at societal and organizational level which are relevant to cross-cultural interaction. Although Hofstede's cultural dimensions model is considerable, models that measure culture's dimensions to measure the similarities and the difference between two different cultures and orientation dimension are new and unique to Club. It was found that most of the PACE studies on human orientation dimension were correlated to stress, quality of life, and the like. Therefore, this paper tends to add to the literature by exploring the possibility of women's orientation and performance orientation and dimension, which suggests the globe model remains important in analyzing the cultural distance within countries. The role of cultural distance is very important to internal business negotiation as the help to understand the communication behaviors that lead to integrative behaviors that lead to integrative agreement during the process of negotiation. Number 1, institutional collectivism. An argument could be made that if both business partners are from high institutional collectivism, there will be obligation on the part of those in charge to look out for the need of business partners. Number 2, in-group collectivism. Is cross-cultural communication is considered to be an indicator of how close the relationship between two parties and the amount of sharing information because it consists of individuals who show their pride, loyalty, and cohesiveness, their families or particular groups in a society or organizational that they are employed. Number 3, future orientation. In future orientation, a collective's behaviors are delaying gratification, planning, and investing in the future. Number 4, gender egalitarianism. It was claimed that in traditional thinking, men are known to be more important than women. They tend to have dominant position. Number 5, performance orientation. Performance orientation dimension is used in this study to observe how the business people respond change in business environment. In Asian business negotiations, collaboration in the key driver in pursuing market opportunities, which is the foundation of business model. Number 6, human orientation. Human orientation, the conclusions that truth might be affected between similar or dissimilar business partners. However, cross-cultural research should take note that collective people tend to have higher human orientation. That's my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.